I bought this YNL shower rod, so let's go ahead and set it up. It does come in little pieces that we're gonna have to screw together, but it is a suspension rod, no drilling or mess. We've got a user's manual. It does come in different finishes, 12 months extended warranty, and here are the instructions. The size we got comes with 5 rods, and the little footies for the side. It's a grippy rubber on the end, and then that's gonna screw in 2 of those, obviously. I bought the shower rod that's good for 36 to 84 inches. And then it shows right here, they basically all come with the same parts, just the longer ones come with more of that one particular connector rod, so you can add or remove them depending on how wide your bathtub is. Mine is 60 inches. Here are the sizes of the rods. So very simple. You have this fixed rod, has the hole for one of the footies, and just screw it in. No tools required. The telescopic rod, you only have one of those, and there's a little arrow to unlock and lock, so that'll pull out, and then that's the end where you're going to screw in the other footy. And then the other pieces just connect, and you just screw them in. So that is how they look. Really nice look, nice and clean. So there we go, gorgeous. And look at how nicely these slide. Oh, and then here's an up close. It's really nice looking. You can see those joints, but they're not something you would notice unless you knew that they were there. You do see this though, which is helpful if you need to take it down and put it back up. You could like Sharpie or paint that though. I guess if the white bothers you, I may do that eventually, but for now I'm like, it looks really nice. I love the suspension rod because if you want to get a longer curtain rod and have this like way high at the ceiling, you could do that. Personally, I like to be able to hang towels and stuff on here, so I don't want it super high. And it says it has a 30-pound weight capacity, which is great. We can even put our bath mat up here to dry. It's perfect.